Hello everyone. Today we start in our chapter number 21 conjunction. Frame grammatically correct sentences using the word in the box. And or because yet but if. So students use this conjunction and make a sentence. Frame a grammatically correct sentence using the word. So students we using first of and conjunction. So me and my friend going to सूरत. तो मैंने यहाँ पे एंड कंजक्शन यूज़ किया है कि मैं और मेरे फ्रेंड सूरत जा रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो एंड होता है कंजक्शन जो टू सेंटेंसेस को जॉइंट करता है. जो दो बातों को, तो टू वर्ड्स को, टू सेंटेंसेस को जो जॉइंट करता है, साथ में लाता है, वो होता है कंजक्शन. यू हैव ऑलरेडी लर्न दैट a conjunction is a word that is used to join words, group of words or sentences. On the basis of their form and function, conjunctions are broadly divided into three types. Now we will learn about the three types: coordinating conjunction, correlative conjunction and subordinating conjunction. So let's start to learn about coordinating conjunction. Read these sentences. I locked the room and left the house. She has called her thrice, yet there has been no response. So students, the highlighted word are coordinating conjunction. They are used to join two statements of equal importance. Okay, means left the house. I locked the room and left the house. She had called her thrice, yet there is no response. Next is a conjunction that is used to join two independent statements or two statements of equal importance is called coordinating conjunction. Study this table to learn about the most commonly used coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction: and, but, or, so. First of all, we learn about the and conjunction used to join or add word together. And the example is, I walked to the shelf and placed the plates on it. But used to show opposite or conflicting ideas. He is wealthy but he is unhappy. वो wealthy है लेकिन फिर भी वो क्या है, unhappy है. और so a choice or a possibility. You must hurry up or you will miss the flight. So's result. Father is ill, so he did not go to office today. So these are the coordinating conjunction and, but, or, so. Some other coordinating conjunction are yet, nor, still, whereas, nevertheless, else, as well as, or else. Correlative conjunction: we would either take a cab or a bus. Rukhsana has both done her homework and packed her school bag. The highlighted word pairs are correlative conjunction. They are also used to join two statements of equal importance. A multi-word conjunction that is used to join two statements of equal importance is called correlative conjunction. So study the table to learn about the function of some correlative conjunction. Both and. These are correlative conjunction. Look at here, both and. Used to indicate two qualities. For example, the principal both applauded and rewarded Rishi or for his brave act. Either or used to show choice between two possibilities in a positive sense. I will meet you either today or tomorrow. Neither nor. Use in the negative sense to say that two or more things are not true. Neither he nor I can attend the meeting today. Not only but also. Use when two actions are referred. For example, she was not only late but also unprepared for the test. Such that used to show a cause effect relationship. Such is his dedication that he has not slept for 15 hours. No sooner than. Use when one action follows another very soon. No sooner had I entered the airport than the flight took off. Not only but also. Function use when two actions are referred to. Example, not only did she finish her homework but also revise her lesson. So students, these are the correlative conjunctions. Now we will learn about the subordinating conjunction. There was so much noise that we could not hear anything. You will lose your job if you come late every day. The highlighted words are subordinating conjunction. They are used to join two statements, one of which is dependent on the other. So, a conjunction that is used to join two statements, one of which is dependent on the other, is called subordinating conjunction. Look at the table to understand the function of some subordinating conjunction. If, unless, to indicate condition. If you work hard, you will score well. Unless you try, you will not be able to get over your fears. Next is before, after, till, when, whenever and while. To indicate time or duration. I will return before mother comes back. I must meet you after the test get over. Do not move from here till I return. The children play fearlessly when the snake was caught. I will call you whenever I receive the parcel. Suhani cooked while Lata slept. Wherever, to indicate place. The student can stay where they are. You can sit wherever there is a vacant seat. Because, as, since. To indicate the cause-effect relationship between two ideas. I admire him because he always sticks to his principle. I will help her as she is my best friend. Jaya has known Farah since she was a little baby. Next is though, although and while. To express contrast between ideas. Example, she has not lost her will though she has suffered a lot. Although he is poor, he is an honest man. Unpack the suitcase while I prepare dinner. Next, subordinating conjunction are as and then. To indicate comparison. She talked as she was expected to. I am taller than my elder brother. So students, these are the function, example and the conjunction. Now time for exercise. Fill in the blank with appropriate conjunction from the bracket. So let's start. It was a surprise blank. We were thrilled. If and or. So which conjunction come in this blank? It was surprise blank. We are thrilled. Using and. Blank can he bake cakes, blank make pastries and peas. So students, here we using correlative conjunction. So here we using not only can he bake cake but also make pastries and peas. So we write here not only cake but also make pastries and peas. Next, Hema could not sing well blank. She was nervous. Hema could not sing well since before because. So we using because. वो अच्छे से नहीं गा सकी. क्यों? क्योंकि because she was nervous. क्योंकि वो nervous हो गई थी. He was slow blank. He was sure. वो slow था but वो क्या था? Unless but की still but he was sure. Blank have I money blank a place to stay. So students, here we using neither I have money nor a place to stay. So we write here neither and here we write no. It is a correlative conjunction. Next, I haven't seen Radha blank the time she left school. Since she did not score well blank. She performed well in the test although if unless. So here we using although. I can join you blank. You promise to return before 9 p.m. So here we using I can join you or since if. So here students we using if. I can join you if you promise to return before 9 p.m. I must fight for you blank. I am your friend. Whereas but as. So I must fight for you as I am your friend. You can write the letter blank. You can type on the computer. You can write the letter or until since. So students we using here or. आप लेटर लिख सकते हो या फिर उसे टाइप कंप्यूटर पे टाइप भी कर सकते हो. So we using or conjunction for joining two sentences. Okay. Now next is practice. Underline the conjunction in these sentences and state their type. Okay. So let's start. The teacher not only helped me but also lent me some books. So students, in this sentence first of all find out the conjunction. Underline the conjunction. So look at here, not only but also. This is the conjunction and that is the joining two sentences and there is a relation between two sentences. So it is a correlative sentence. So we write here correlative. Next, his friend as well as his parents as proud of him. So here is a as well as is a conjunction and it is a coordinating conjunction. So we write here coordinating conjunction. After uncle had left, I unwrapped the gift he had given me. So in this sentence, the conjunction is after and it is the subordinating conjunction. So we write here subordinating. Though it is raining, the weather is very hot. So though is conjunction. It is also subordinating. Next, the days are hot but the night are cold. It's so easy. Here we see the conjunction but and it is a coordinating conjunction. The athlete was both fined and expelled. It is also easy. Both and it is correlative. Correlative. Such was his condition that we lost hope. So here we see such and that. It is correlative. Correlative. She cut short my sentences whenever I started to speak. So here we see whenever. It is a conjunction. It is a subordinating conjunction. The bird picked into balloon and there was a loud blast. Here and its conjunction. It is a coordinating conjunction. Coordinating. We won't be allowed to enter because we don't have the tickets. So here conjunction is because. It is a subordinating. So done. Our this exercise A was finished. Now we are going to next exercise. Fill in the blank with appropriate conjunction. We can order fish curry and rice blank. We can order something vegetarian. So we can order fish curry and rice or we can order something vegetarian. Next, I dislike him blank. He is not a man of his word. I dislike him because using because conjunction. He is not a man of his word. Sefali want to pat the dog blank. She is scared. So here we using but conjunction. Let's leave home now blank. We have to reach the venue by 3 o'clock. So here we using as. Let's leave home now as we have to reach the venue by 3 o'clock. Blank it rains. We shall not cancel our plan to go out. So here we using unless. Next, you can use blank a fork, blank a spoon. You can use either a fork or a spoon, either or. Arushi can blank sing, blank dance. Arushi can not only, sorry, not only sing but also dance. We can have dinner, blank the food is ready. We can have dinner if the food is ready. She blank her home mother has left for Mumbai. She as well as the princess had long golden hair, blank all her maids admire it. And okay, so student, this is our exercise finished. Here C D is your PW. Do this exercise in a rough notebook. Here our chapter number 21 conjunction was complete. Okay, so write the all answer in your workbook and also do practice in the rough notebook. Thank you.